Hello honey buns! Today I'll be doing a quick time-lapse tutorial on how to make elegant lace chokers. I made this over the course of 3 days, so you'll notice the lighting changing. All you need for this project is 2 crimp closures, 1 clasp, 9 head pins, 17 jump rings, 2 types of beads for variety, and a chain. I'm going to make a neat little pendant using silver tray cabochon, but you can use any pendant or charm you like. Use any ribbon color you prefer. I use red. And you can use any lace that you can pair with ribbon. For this choker, I went with a black lace I bought on Taobao. In addition to those supplies, you'll need scissors, pliers, and wire cutters. Alrighty, so let's begin. First, you're going to want to measure the lace out. You're going to want to wrap the lace about 70 to 80% of the way around your neck. Trim it to that point. Using the lace that you cut, you can trim down the ribbon. Next, plan out your chain and bead design. Then, trim your chain using the wire cutters like so. You'll notice a piece of chain hanging off the side. I was still playing around with the design, but I removed it later on. Now you're going to want to slide your beads onto the head pins, then trim them if needed using the wire cutters. You can use round pliers to loop your wire once the beads are on. I'm using this fancy new instant loop tool I recently purchased at Michael's. Leave a little gap in your loop if you want to slide your jump rings on. Close the loop with your pliers. Now using 6 jump rings, I'm going to connect my chain to my lace. You can open and close your jump rings using round jewelry pliers. Here's how my choker looks so far with my beads and chain attached to the lace. Before weaving the ribbon through the lace, I'm going to use a lighter to melt down the slightly frayed end. I did this in my bathroom because I'm a fire hazard. Once you've melted down your loose ends, you can weave your ribbon through your lace. After that, it's time to put your closures on. Use flat pliers or 2 round pliers to close your closure shut. Here's a little rose pendant I ended up making. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to make polymer clay roses, let me know in the comments. Use a jump ring to attach your pendant. Lastly, use 3 jump rings, a clasp, and about 1 to 2 inches of chain to make an extender. Extenders allow you to adjust the tightness of your choker. And there you have it, a simple, elegant lace choker. Here's how the choker looks when worn. Here's me posing like a vampire in a bar looking for my next victim. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my handmade jewelry. While I'm here, I would like to say thanks, honey buns. We reached 25 subscribers. It's a small milestone, but it means a lot to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more arts and craft videos, along with my vlogs and unboxing videos. As always, thanks for watching.